If you want to add some lights outside in your yard, and if you've got those posts around, maybe a picket fence, these are fantastic. Comes in a configuration of 4x4, actually 4x4 when you add the adapter, or 5x5. So those are pretty much the common sizes, super easy to install. They actually come with the hardware right here. Hardware, so it's basically just some screws, and you literally just screw it right in. One screw, boom, fit it, you're done. And the really cool thing is that it is full-on solar. So you've got a solar panel at the top. It is seamless. It doesn't even look like it's a solar panel because of the black kind of finish. But this will get all the energy it needs to recharge that internal battery, so it will light up automatically when the sun goes down. So from dusk to dawn, it will literally light up your yard, and it looks really, really nice. And the way that you change that light configuration is right under here. So before you actually finish the installation, you've got a little switch here, either left or right. And what it is I'm gonna block this here so you can actually see. You've got normal white light, and then you've got warm light right here. So whatever you want outside, you can actually have that choice of two, that option of two. I want to bring to your attention this kind of like little band here. The little sparkles here, I think, look fantastic. And as you can see in the B-roll, at night, it really shines and glows. It gives it a really nice, it depending on the angle of where you're seeing it, it's really, really pretty. And it doesn't matter if it's warm or cool light. But yeah, really nice. Will last all night, provided you've got enough sun during the day to charge it. And there's so many different configuration and different packs that you can buy. Don't forget, 4x4 or 5x5 will fit on these.